Hello everyone. I hope no one has heard what I said a minute ago. I was just testing. Yeah, we are. It's 3rd of December, and we are ready to solve the next tasks. I can see that it's already pretty messed up. Hard to understand what. Yeah, we'll try to figure out, because it's only the day 3 and the tasks should be pretty easy still.
Our computers are having issues, so I have no idea if we have any chief historians in stock. You're welcome to check the warehouse, though, says the mildly flustered shopkeeper at the North Pole Toboggan rental shop. The historians head out to take a look. The shopkeeper turns to you. Any chance you can see why our computers are having issues again? The computer appears to be trying to run a program, but its memory, your puzzle input, is corrupted. All of the instructions have been jumbled up. It seems like the goal of the program is just to multiply some numbers. It does that with instructions like Mull x, y, where x and y are each 1 to 3 digit numbers. For instance, Mull 44 and 46 multiplies 44 by 46 to get a result of 2024. Similarly, Mull 123, 4 would multiply 123 by 4. However, because the program's memory has been corrupted, there are also many invalid characters that should be ignored, even if they look like part of a Mull instruction. Sequences like Mull 4, Mull 6, 9, 12, 34, or Mull 2 or 4 do nothing.
Alright, so I see it's not so difficult as
For example,
I thought.
consider the following section of corrupted memory. X Mull 24%, Mull 337 do not, Mull 55, Mull 3264, then Mull 11, 8, Mull 8, 5. Only the 4 highlighted sections are real Mull instructions. Adding up the result of each instruction produces 161, 2.4, plus 5.5, plus 11, 8, plus 8, 5.
Yeah, seems like it's a pretty straightforward parsing task. Yeah, what we're going to do for new viewers, we are testing out AI models, how they solve these tasks and whether they are able to solve all 25 days. And for the first, 15 or 10 days, I will be trying out the dumb models, because the tasks are easy enough for them. If they will be not if they won't be able to solve some of the tasks, we'll try the smarter models. In terms of the dumb models, I'm meaning what I mean is GPT-4o Mini and Claude 3.5 Haiku. For the smart models, I mean Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4o probably, and definitely O1 Preview for the harder tasks. So we are attaching already created README file, which will tell the AI what is going on here, what we are trying to solve, the structure of files, etc. So I'm adding README to the composer. I'm adding a solution file from the day 3, so it will be able to write down the solution over there. And we'll start as usual from the GPT-4o Mini. So no, it was the input txt, and the instructions are here. Oh, sorry, I forgot to increase the volume of microphone. Really sorry. So we got the result from the GPT-4o Mini, and let's see. It's reading input imported regex library and extract valid more instructions using regex. Alright, and some integers multiplied x and y in matches. Could be fine. I'm not going to check the regex regular expression here, but it seems like it's okay from the first glance. Yeah, 1 gold star. Alright, then we are going to try the same thing with Claude 3.5 Haiku. I'm not sure if it will be able to solve this somehow differently, but we'll try. And it's reverting the solution, and it's generating a new one. Is valid more instruction. It's added docstring. It replaced. It's replaced. Like removed all the spaces. What else did it do? And yeah, it's tried to match regex. Yeah, I'd say it's more readable, but for some reason it decided to limit the number from 1 to 3, like 3 digits only, to have larger numbers. I'm not sure I'm able to identify that. Was it clear from the instruction that we have 3 digits maximum? Yeah. 1 to 3 digit numbers. Alright. I see. Yeah, definitely regular expression is much more readable here, but would it be able to parse all the matches? Let's see. Well, I can see that the answer is different. Yeah. Interestingly, Claude 3.5 haven't solved it correctly. That's unexpected. Alright, 3.5 hasn't solved it. Let's revert back. Yeah. How do I do that now? Can I do just now? Alright, we need to try again GPT-4o Mini. Yeah, definitely the regular expression was much more readable, but for some reason it didn't work. Yeah. Yeah, the same answer. So GPT-4o Mini is writing regular expressions apparently better than Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Alright, let's figure out which model will be the best one in the second part. And let's read it first.
As you scan through the corrupted memory, you notice that some of the conditional statements are also still intact. If you handle some of the uncorrupted conditional statements in the program, you might be able to get an even more accurate result. There are 2 new instructions you'll need to handle. The due instruction enables future Mull instructions. The don't instruction disables future Mull instructions. Only the most recent do or don't instruction applies. At the beginning of the program, Mull instructions are enabled.
All right. Oh, that's interesting. I would like to figure out it myself, but this is not what we're doing
For
now.
example, x Mull 2 to 4 and Mull shen don't forma Mull 5 to 5 so Mull 32 to 64 Mull 11 8 undo Mull 8 5. This corrupted memory is similar to the example from before, but this time the Mull 5 5s and Mull 11 18 instructions are disabled because there is a don't instruction before them. The other Mull instructions function normally, including the one at the end that gets re-enabled by a do instruction. This time, the sum of the results is 42485, 2.4 plus.
All right. Yeah. So if anyone hasn't got it, we have do and don't, and they will enable or disable the next instructions of multiplication. What would GPT-4o Mini do? Let's see. So it was part 2 enabled true by default. Total tokens, split the input into token based comment limiters for tokens if token do. Oh really, does it work like that? If enabled token, I wonder what these tokens are. Point oh. So it's like, how does it understand what's, how do it split? All right, let's yeah, so we have these tokens that are where Mull. All right, text to speech. Part 2 0. So it hasn't solved it. Yeah, I'm not sure this is the way. Yeah, we'll revert back it, and we will try the other model. But we currently Claude 3.5 Haiku will have the first solution solved by GPT-4o Mini because Claude failed to solve it in its turn. So it will have the context of the first part, but currently on the second part it's working. The Claude 3.5 is working, and I wonder how it solves it. So at the start, more instructions are enabled, do enables, don't disables, only most recent instruction in any applies. More enables by default. Find all instructions in order. Find all, Mull, do, don't. Then for instruction in instructions, if starts with Mull, if multiple, let's see. If Mull instruction is enabled, calculate and add to total. Mull enabled instruction to do, don't. I'm not sure, but probably it could solve it. Let's try out. Yeah, 1 gold star, perfect. So, yeah, opposite results. GPT-4o Mini handled could be able to solve the first one, and the second part it wasn't. Yeah, and Claude 3.5 Haiku solved it perfectly. I wonder now what will be the answer from the smartest model. Not the smartest, but smarter. Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And let's see. The answer is different, but will the result be the same? Yeah, it's the same. All right, let's figure out what is the solution. So, controls m start. What is m? Oh, all right. It's not properly formatted. I think I need to enable rough here. It's not this problem. All right. So what does it do? For m in, find eta, do don't, m start, m group. All right. So it splits into do and don'ts, and we have m start, m group. So what's included there? Then multiplications, m start, int m group 1, m group 2, for m in refined eta, mull. Yeah. Then operations, position, control, command, in controls, position multiplication, xy for position in mouse, operation sort. Oh shit. This is a more complicated code than I thought. Operation type data. Alright, so it's split into two operation types. It's control, either to enable or disable the do, and then another operation type is multiplication. For some reason it sorted them out. Interesting. But this is a way. This is another way to solve this task. I'm not sure if it's more readable, but it's slightly more easy to understand what is happening here. Just a little bit easier because it's split it in different like in different parts. All right. Yep. This is it for today. We'll meet you tomorrow. And let's try to guess what this image will be about. This is definitely reminds me of a Christmas tree, but what's this part and this part? I'm not sure. I like how you solve it every day, and if apparently if you don't miss the day, these are covered, because whenever I solved in 2018, not all of them. Yeah, after I solved all of the tasks, seems like all of them are covered, but for example, if I do 2019, I solved 3 of the tasks out of the, like, not in the days, not in the first day, but the 4th day I solved, and it is, you can see that it's like it's white color. But yeah, if I've solved all of them, or I've solved each one, like the first task in the first day, the second, these will be more like whitish. All right. This was an interesting task today. Not really hard, but yeah, it's a parsing, and parsing doesn't always have to be like easy. Like the first part was really easy, but the second is tricky one. How do you divide into those groups, and how do you activate these commands only inside some of the groups? Yeah, thank you.